Hi guys, welcome back. Bonjour, bonsoir, depending on what time it is for you. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, it'll be a different fun video. I just thought it'd be great to make a video to share my new location. So those of you who want to know where I'm located, how to book me, stay tuned. In this video, I will show you how to book me and tell you where I'm located, show you the new location. So stay tuned for all of that. If you've ever had those questions, and those of you who support me, thank you guys so much. I'm sharing this for you too, so you can see where your support has brought me, from sharing my locks with you guys on here, from my little locks to long locks, then to cutting them off. And thank you guys so much for those of you who found me on here and just trusted me instantly and vibed with me and booked me. You guys made it possible to get here as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it is informative for those of you who want to know how to book me. So on to how to book me. If you guys type in Dxlynlocs in any search engine, social media site, I will come up. You can even find me on, I almost said Tinder. You even find me on Pinterest, and it will come up, and you can hit the book link. So the left side is Facebook, the right side is Instagram. They both have a book button. You hit the book button and it will take you to the booking site, and this is what you will see come up if you are on a mobile phone. It may look different on your browser. So here you go to book appointment. It shows you all your choices. Be sure to read the description on every single one of them. The one thing most people skip is the fact that you need a consultation before you can book an appointment with me. I have two choices for consultations. You can do an online consultation, or you can come into the shop and do an in-person consultation with me. But a consultation must be booked before an appointment can be made. That means that you cannot book a consultation and an appointment on the same day, and you cannot book them at the same time. So some people will book a consultation for this day and then book their appointment already for the future, but you cannot do that. The system will let you do it, but it will not register, so someone else can book a consultation, do it, and then book ahead of you. So make sure you book your consultation, and that is when you are able to book for the actual appointment. So be sure, like I said, to read all the info, all the description, so there is no misinformation and there's no confusion. This will help a lot because every service has a description. So during the consultation is the best time to ask any questions you may have after reading the description, if you're still confused about any type of information. Alright guys, so when you come into the Salon Lofts Lake Nona Creek side, this is what it looks like in the front, and then you will come in to my loft. If you do not remember which number my loft is, you can go straight to the directory that is on the wall, and you will see my face right there, and you'll see my loft number. And then when you come in, this is where you will be. The idea behind how I designed this loft was to make it really relaxing, and when you come in, regardless of how your travels were, you can just relax and have a good time getting your hair done. There will be complimentary drinks and snacks offered to you while you are being serviced. And this location is conveniently 9 minutes from the international airport. I chose that on purpose because I have clients who fly in from other countries and other states, and I wanted to make it convenient for them to go from the airport around this location. There are also places to go shop and go eat, so the location is amazing. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you soon in my loft. And if you all are watching this on YouTube, the booking link will always be under every video description. And if you're watching on Instagram or Facebook, the booking button is at the top of the page.